Hello friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci, where simplicity and elegance is our theme. Welcome to our home and welcome to our kitchen. Today we are on part 5 of the 5-part series of that kitchen Pinterest look. Just to recap, week 1 or part 1, we did the refrigerator, cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. Week 2, we did a tour of the kitchen. Week 3, we did pantry reorganization. And last week, we did 20 or so drawers in the kitchen. So today we're going to be doing some more drawers, and of course we're going to be looking under the kitchen sink, an area that I'm so excited to show you. So let's get started where we left off last week. So last week we showed you at least 10 or so drawers, including this one that has the batteries. This is the first drawer here. And then most of the drawers are pull out, so they're really easy to get in and out. For example, this one has the mixer, the Vitamix, the coffee maker, and the jars that we use to put the drinks in sometimes. And then the other drawers here, this one has all the Christmas plates, the heavy ones of course, and then some of these drawers, this one for example has the sandwich bags and the snack bags. This one has all the straws that we use. And then before we get to under the sink, this drawer has all the kitchen towels. And there's another drawer of kitchen towels, so there are 2 drawers of kitchen towel. Of course, you saw where we keep all the cups and plates, and so we're not going to be going over those. But the main thing that I am so excited about is under the sink. But before we get under there, I want to pull it out and show you, and then I'll put it back. So on the door of this under the sink area, I have the cleaning gloves and I have some brush. Of course, it's a very small area because as you can see, we have the water dispenser here. We have the trash cans, one recycle and one just a regular trash can. And then I pulled out the area here that I need to show you, because this is just what I keep under the sink. It's a tray that has the scrubs, the dishcloths, and of course, cleaning products. I don't have a lot of fancy cleaning products. I use the Dawn dishwashing liquid. I use the Awesome for the counters and the trash bags. And that's pretty much all I keep in this container. So it's really easy to move around, but it's just kept under the counter. And it gives it a very clean look. So let me show you what under the counter looks like with this. So this is my under the counter area. Very small, but very practical. I don't show the pipes there. All I did was put one of those little cardboard things that you can use in your car. I just put it there with some hooks so I don't have to look behind there. Of course, there's nothing behind there except, of course, I have a couple of the things that we have to keep inside for the drainage and stuff. So those are kept there, and those, unless there's an issue with the drainage, we never have to even pull those out. So those have been there for a long, long time. But this is what is under the counter. Just the scrubs, the extra dishcloths, the liquid soap, and of course the spray for the counter and the trash bags. And then to the right we have the 2 trash cans, and to the left we have the water dispenser. So this is what under the counter looks like for us. Very, very organized, very neat, and I'm so excited because didn't always look like this, but for the last year or so I've made it really, really practical and very easy to keep neat and organized. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to my channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And of course, as usual, if you have already subscribed, I just want to say a very special thanks to you. I'm always so excited and so appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Now I've got to tell you, next week it's a brand new series, and I'm excited to share that information with you. It's going to be a 5-part series, including plants, all about plants. Week 1 is going to be all about the fiddly fig. Week 2 is going to be about the Pilea peperomoides. Week 3 is going to be about the ponytail palm. Week 4 is going to be on all the new plants that I've had in the last 6 months or so. And of course, Week 5, the grand finale, is going to be all about how I've incorporated plants in the decor of our home. So please come back next week. We look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.